Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2001 Suzuki VL800. This is the Intruder Volusia. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme with metallic satin, white and black. Lots of chrome on this classic style cruiser. Only 13,500 miles. Beautiful shaft drive, V-twin, liquid cooled, electric start. Price to sell just $29.99. Come by, check us out. This is a great cash bike. Come by, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will on this beautiful Volusia for $29.99. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.